Hi friends and my viewers, today I am going to show you how to trace sketches for embroidery the 2-through laptop. So for this, first place the cloth upside down in the embroidery hoop. Only then we can trace the sketch we are seeing on the end. After this, the brightness of your computer or laptop as much as possible and use a fabric pen. I did not have a fabric pen, so I used a normal sketch pen, but do not use any sharp pen, because the laptop might get scratched. Now we will place the hoop on our laptop screen. Keep one thing in mind, that do not move it at all. Only then we will be able to trace the sketch properly. I am sorry, the design has been spoiled a bit because the laptop screen got turned off in the middle, so the design has been spoiled a bit, but it doesn't matter. Wherever the design is not complete, you can draw a little more there. If you liked it, then please do 3 things: like, share, subscribe. Till then, goodbye.